I think we have a very confusing attitude about rebellious people as well as rebels. Think about it, right? When we are facing a rebel in front of us in the living room, we are struggling. We are constantly struggling. We feel challenged because of the way they pose questions to us. Yet, we like rebels from far. We love the way they stand up for themselves. We love their courage. We love their willingness to fight. We love their way of dealing with problems and taking leads and solving issues. Right? We always love the way they stand up for what they believe in. Their friends might desert them. Their communities might hate them. For that matter, even their families might go against them. But they always stand for what they believe in. They always believe in challenging the status quo. And we love that about them. We make stories, we write books, we make documentaries about them. Yet, when our children showcase those caliber and capabilities, we subside them. We don't want our children to develop that capabilities. Why? The moment our children start asking questions, we usually handle them with an uneasiness, lethargic, and impatient attitude towards them. We discourage them by asking them to shut down, shut up. We need to encourage our children to pose questions because they are trying to understand the world from their lens. They are trying to understand different perspectives. And if we don't encourage our children to ask questions, we are going to be limiting them to think as per the norms. If we want our children to stand out, we need to encourage them to ask questions and help them see the world with their lens and understand different perspectives. I strongly believe we need more rebels in our system who would challenge the status quo, who would stand for what they believe in. Right? When I say rebels, what exactly do I mean by that? I don't mean a person who takes unnecessary risks, who disrespects people, and who involves himself or herself in harmful, addictive behaviors. No, I don't mean by that. What I mean by rebels is a person who breaks the norms and stands for what he or she believes in. A person who challenges the status quo. A person who doesn't follow the norm without understanding the logic or reason behind it. A person who questions whatever doesn't make sense to him or her. We need more people like that. And that's how reinventions happen, renovations happen, rediscovery happens, reviving of life happens, and new things comes into picture. Right? Only when we try and find out new ways of doing things can the old ways of doing things be eliminated. If it works fine, if the old ways of doing things works fine, then it's okay to keep it as is. But if there are new ways of doing things which would yield better results, why not go with the new way of doing things? And these rebels have the capability of doing just that. They have the capability to think independently and stand for what they believe in. And that's what, as parents, we need to enable our kids to be able to do just that. Right? I understand majority of the parents want the best for the kids. They want the kids to be safe and happy and healthy and follow the masses and do what other kids are doing and following. But let me tell you this. Your kids won't stand out unless they are able to break the norm and think independently for themselves instead of just blindly following the culture, following the society, following what other kids and other people are doing. Rebels are people who think independently for themselves and follow their heart. And that's how they will be able to lead a fulfilled and contented life. Now, if we force our kids to just follow the norm and follow the masses, they will just belong to the masses. They won't belong to the classes. And we don't want that to happen. We want our kids to raise above the norms, and that will happen only when they think independently, without the influence of the society, without the influence of their friends or family. Right? We need to encourage them to ask questions, think independently, think creatively, question everything that is not making sense to them, and that's how we will build their confidence and help them believe in what they stand for. Right? So encourage your children to stand out and do not discourage them by asking them to follow the standards, because the standards that is coming through our culture, tradition, educational system, or anything for that matter has to be revised from time to time. I'm not saying it's really old and outdated, but anything old and anything which is going on from a long time definitely needs a revision. And only rebels, only people who can think independently for themselves, who are creative, can think of new ways of doing things. And that's how evolution happens. So encourage your kids to stand out and not follow the masses, not follow the crowd. Thank you.